Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to OneNote sync error problem issue 100%. Open OneNote. You're going to close the app and open it again. Additionally, you can go to a browser and from there try to log into the web version of OneNote. Alternatively, you can open OneNote. In the File menu, click on Info. After that, click on the option View Sync Status. Leave the checkbox Sync automatically whenever there are changes checked. Click on Sync All. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.